So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rohit Ghosh and today we're gonna make chicken tikka my way. So let's make this, shall we? So first off, here I have a beautiful boneless chicken breast. So now I'm going to cut the chicken breast into 2 equal pieces. I know this is not traditional, but believe me, it's gonna taste amazing. So now once we've done that, so now I'm going to cut the chicken slices into even thin slices so that it ensures even and fast cooking. So this is how thin your slices should look. So for the chicken tikka, we need to marinate the chicken twice. So for the first marination, I've added my chicken into a bowl. To that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. I advise you to add more salt so that the chicken is really tasty when it's cooked. So after that, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to mix it really well, and once I've done that, I'm going to let it refrigerate for around 30 minutes to an hour. I advise you to let it marinate for over an hour so that it gets really tasty and it gets all the flavors of the ginger garlic paste. Okay, so till the chicken is getting marinated in a separate bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hung yogurt. So to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of zira powder or cumin powder, followed by 1.5 teaspoon of the Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour, and salt to taste. You can add more salt if you like. Then 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, followed by 1 heaping tablespoon of mustard oil. So I know these are a lot of ingredients, but be patient with me. So now I'm going to mix it really well, and then I added juice of half a lemon and I added some crushed kasuri methi. It would really enhance the taste. Okay, so now I'm going to mix it really well, and if you have Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, it would look just like this. It should be a little bright orange kind of color. Okay, so now my chicken has been marinating for about 2 hours. So now I'm going to add my chicken and my vegetables into the marination. So I have diced some onions and tomatoes. You can add capsicum if you like, but I added tomatoes because I really like the roasted chariness of the tomatoes. So now I'm going to mix it really well. Then I'm going to keep the chicken in the marination for a minimum of 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Okay, so once we have marinated our chicken for 2 hours, now I'm going to add my vegetables and the chicken into my wooden skewers. So first I'm adding 2 slices of onions. You have to add vegetables before you add the chicken, so the vegetables would support the chicken. So as we have thinly sliced our chicken, so now it would be easy for us to get it in the wooden skewers. So once I've added my chicken, now I'm going to close it with another vegetable. Now I've added a slice of diced tomatoes, and it should look just like this. So now in a pan, I have about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and I'm going to allow it to smoke. Okay, so once we've done that, I'm going to add the chicken. You should hear the sizzling sound. It's like the music to my ears. Once I've added my chicken, now I'm going to cook it for 2 to 2.5 minutes on each side. And if you have a grill pan, you should preferably use that. Now I'm going to baste the chicken with the fat so that all the flavors are sealed in. So once it's cooked, it should look just like this. You should have that black char on the chicken, and you should see the roasted tomatoes. So once I've cooked all of my chicken tikkas, I've plated it up with some green chutney and some onion slices, and that's it. And then I garnish it with a little bit of kasuri methi, and you're all set to have the scrumptious chicken tikka of your life. So do try this recipe out and leave your feedback in the comment section below, and follow me on my Instagram account _Rohit_Ghosh, and hit that bell icon and of course the subscribe button. Till then, I'm gonna meet you on my next video.